Right now I'm in Hawaii staying at a resort that costs $700 a night, but I only paid $200. And I'm gonna teach you just how to do that. Over the past couple of years, I've become a pretty savvy traveler, using all sorts of travel hacks to save me time and money. But the one thing I couldn't seem to crack was the price of hotels. They're hands down the most expensive part of travel. And when I recently wanted to take a trip to Hawaii, the prices were so high, I honestly just refused to pay them. So it forced me to do some research on if there's a way to get hotels for a cheaper price. And what I found was crazy. I've been using this simple hack for a few months now, and it saved me hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on every trip that I've taken from now on. It's something that anyone can do, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And be sure to stay till the end of this video because I am going to be doing a giveaway of some hotel stays. So I've been wanting to go to Hawaii just because why not, right? My favorite island is Maui and I like staying on Kaanapali beach, but every time I look up hotels, they are so absurdly expensive. Like, let's look them up right now. Kaanapali beach hotels. $400, $600, $375, $600, $400. All of my favorite hotels are like $400 a night. And I just don't want to pay that. But I was getting to a point where I was about ready to pull the trigger and just pay the price until I did some snooping around last night and I found a travel hack that's literally gonna save me almost $2,000 on booking this trip to Hawaii. And I can't believe it. I can't believe no one's talking about it. So what could this amazing hack be? Well, it's using the hotwire.com mystery deal. Hotwire.com is a discount travel website, and every day they have these deals of the day and hot rate deals. These are typically 50 to 60% off regular hotel prices, but there's a catch. You don't get to know what hotel you're booking until after it's booked. The only thing you get to know is the ratings of the hotel and the location it's in. Here's where my hack comes in. I found a way to make it not so much of a mystery. You can actually predict what hotel you're exactly gonna get, and I'm gonna test that theory out. So here we go. I wanna go to Maui, and I want to go the 10th through the 15th. So you put in your destination, you put in your days, and the first thing that comes up is the deal of the day. So I've been looking at these days a lot, and I actually found if I go 11 through 15, the daily deal is even cheaper. It's $201 per night for what's originally a $529 hotel. So I know you're thinking, this is super scary though, like you don't know what you're getting. What if it's not that good? Okay, I figured out how to find out what it is. So I'm gonna open up in a new tab this deal, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the ratings here. The ratings are 4.4, 4.6, 4.3, 4.6, and 4.5. So then you can look at all of the hotels available and you just match it up to those exact specific ratings, and that's how you find the exact hotel. So first we're just gonna look for the other ones that say 4.4. So Lahaina Beach Resort says 4.4, Grand Wailea says 4.4, and the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villa says 4.4. So those all say 4.4. So it could be any of those, but the way to figure out exactly which one is to match it up with each of these other ratings. So the hotel, service, comfort, and cleanliness. So let's start with Lahaina Shores Beach Resort. You're then gonna go to verified reviews because basically these both match up to TripAdvisor. For the mystery trip, they're showing you the TripAdvisor reviews. This one has a 4.5, 4.4, 4.5, 4.3 with a 4.4. Can't be Lahaina Shores because this says condition of hotel at 4.6 and Lahaina Shores says 4.3. So we know it's not that. Next up is the Grand Wailea, and this one has the same review ratings, but if we look at the location, it is located in Wailea, and our mystery hotel says it is located in Kaanapali, so it cannot be the Grand Wailea. So it must be the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas, which go for $639 a night, and this deal is going for $201 a night at 62% off. So here I have the mystery hotel pulled up against the Westin Ocean Villas, and we'll start off with they both have a 4.4 for overall satisfaction. They both have a 4.6 for condition of hotel. They both have a 4.3 for quality of service. They both have a 4.6 for room comfort, and they both have a 4.5 for room cleanliness. So I'm thinking it must be the Westin Ocean Resorts Kaanapali. So next thing I'm gonna do is look up, and I'm just gonna make sure I'm getting a good deal with the $200 a night. You wanna look through the entire internet and make sure you're getting a good deal. So for the 11th through the 15th, Sure enough, the whole internet has no rates under $600, except if you go to the website, it is showing something a little bit cheaper. I can't believe this. I feel like I just landed on the jackpot. I'm gonna book it now and we're gonna see if that's what it is, because I am like freaking out, and I'm booking it. Here we go. I'm so nervous. What if it's not what I think it is? But I'm like so sure this is what it is. What if I'm wrong though? It says we're about to reveal your hotel. I got it right. You guys, I got it right. This is crazy. I literally got a hotel that's over $600 a night for $200 a night. This is absurd. So the last thing that I want to do to show you guys this isn't just some fluke, I didn't just make a lucky guess. I'm gonna book one more night and I'm going to also guess what that night's gonna be. I want to get in on the 10th. So I'm gonna put the 10th through the 11th, gonna search that, and we have this deal. I'm going for the cheapest deal basically. So we're gonna open it up in a new tab and we're gonna see that it has a 4.0 rating. So then we are just going to also open up any other hotels we can find with that 4.0 rating. The Westin Maui, the Gardens at West Maui, the Westin Maui, and the Gardens at West Maui. So we're gonna check both of these. Gardens at West Maui has a 4.3, 4.0, 3.9, and 4.1. Mystery Hotel has a 3.9, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2. So it's not the Gardens at West Maui because that just doesn't add up. Next, the Westin Maui, which is different from what I just booked. I just got the Westin Ocean Resort Villas.
All right, so you guys should be experts at this by now if you're this far into the video. And as we can see, this is a perfect match. So I'm very confident that the Mystery Hotel for this date is the Westin.
It's saying they have a room at $399, but this has it at $242. So it's not quite as good of a deal, obviously. I just scored the most crazy deal of my life that I've ever gotten. Like, that was absurd. But this is still like over $100 off. Like, it's still a really, really good deal. It's what I'm willing to pay. So I am super positive that this is the Westin. We are gonna book this for the first night. And it's totally the Westin. Sure enough, it is the Westin. You guys, this is a foolproof way to get hotels for cheaper. I can't even believe it. Overall, on this trip, I saved $1,868.47. So I have my trip booked, but I'm honestly still a little bit skeptical. Is this too good to be true? So now we wait and we see if this pans out as being the best vacation ever for the best price ever. All right, everyone, I'm here at the airport. It is one whole week later, headed to Hawaii, and we're gonna see if these hotels live up to their expectation or if the deal is too good to be true.
My first night of vacation is at the Westin Kaanapali. This was the second hotel that I booked. It was for a rate of $240 versus the listed price of $399. I just got to the hotel. Shelby got here before me, so she checked in for us. So, hello. Ooh.
Hello.
Ooh, ooh. Here we have it.
My voice a bit.
Okay, most important part, how's the view? It's pretty cool.
Mountain view.
Upon check-in, we were given a mountain view room, which as of today goes for $493 on their website. This is room 502, and it looked exactly like the photos. The mountain view was nice, and every room had these pod-like terraces. Upon checking in, however, there was a notice that emergency repairs were being done and there was a pool closed down. On top of that, the hotel has been going through a remodel. Because of the remodel, I am sure that is why these rooms were listed for such a cheaper price, because if you go on the Westin website, you will see there are remodeled rooms as well. So they're obviously going to give the newer remodeled rooms to people that paid full price, and these older rooms, nobody wants them. So that is probably why they are cheaper. But with that said, the room was nice. I've actually stayed at this exact hotel before, and remodel or not, it was still a nice room. The repairs and the construction going on was surprisingly not invasive. As you can see by the footage, the walled off construction section was not ideal, but it wasn't super ugly or loud either. So yeah, this hotel had a few kinks, but still, for $240 a night to get a beachfront hotel on Kaanapali, it was still the best deal around, and I have no complaints. A nice sleep, and overall completely normal hotel experience here, and overall the resort was really nice. I mean, the grounds were super nice. It's right on the beach. It definitely is like worth the money and a great resort. I think they remodeled a lot of rooms and we didn't get a remodeled room. I think that might be why we got a cheaper room, but even with it not being remodeled, it's still a really nice room. I have zero complaints about it, and overall I'm super happy. Now I'm packing up all of my stuff and getting ready to head over to the next hotel. The next day we checked into our 4-night stay at the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Villas. This was the hotel that I got for $201 a night, marked down from $700 a night. Just got our room keys to check in. Upon walking into the room, I was shocked, you guys. Oh my, wow. This has like a full-on other bedroom.
What?
Whoa.
This is an apartment.
Whoa. I did not expect to actually get a 1-bedroom unit. I assumed when booking this deal, I'd be given the absolute cheapest room they had. And on the website at the time of booking, that showed that they had a studio room. But upon my check-in, I was given a 1-bedroom. So I think it's safe to say, regardless of the price, it's not going to affect which room you get. And you're not getting treated differently than any other guest that booked on any other website. This resort felt like the older sister to the other hotel. It was definitely a little bit more luxurious and upscale, and I seriously cannot believe I got it for such a steal. I'm happy to report that Shelby and I had a great time in Hawaii at a super reasonable price. So with most things in life, if it seems too good to be true, it is. And that's honestly what I thought was going to happen with this, but it's not. It's for real. This is a legit hack that actually works. I figured this out in the beginning of January, and since then I've booked 4 trips using this hack, and every time I get it right and I actually save hundreds of dollars a night. It's absurd, and if you're not doing this, you're just throwing money away. Like, it's that good. So there is a reason why this is a thing though. Hotels will have vacant rooms and they're not gonna fill them at their price because, you know, it's just maybe not a high travel season or something like that, but they could maybe fill them if they would lower their prices more. But the thing with hotels, they have a certain threshold that they're not gonna go lower than because they just don't wanna cheapen their brand a lot of the time and ruin the integrity of their brand. Like a Four Seasons could have 10 rooms that are vacant that night, but they're not gonna go to $200 a night because they're Four Seasons. They're expensive. They'd rather just have those rooms vacant. So these hotels will partner with Hotwire though, and they'll just have them listed secretly at a much, much lower price so that they can fill these rooms and, you know, gain a little bit of revenue without cheapening their brand. So it's really a win-win-win situation for everyone. It's a win for Hotwire, it's a win for the hotels, and it's a huge win for us, the people that have to spend the money. If you're still skeptical and want to learn more, I'll have a vlog linked below for my most recent trip. I went to San Francisco. I did this hack for my 4th time, booked a hotel room that was $100 for the night. That was usually $300, so that was really great. And now lastly, for this giveaway, I want to give away a 4-night hotel stay anywhere you want. I'm gonna book it on hotwire.com using the mystery deal, and here's how it's gonna work. Whoever wins, we're gonna FaceTime and we're gonna decide together. We're gonna look through the mystery deals and figure out which hotel you want to stay at, and I'll book you the 4-night stay up to $1,000 in value. So to enter this, all you have to do is 3 things. It's super simple. Number 1, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. I'll have that linked below. It's at Monica Church, so go follow that. And then number 3, just comment below your Instagram handle because that is how I'm going to inform the winner. And then also just comment below if you won the 4-night stay, where would you want to go and why? I really want to know, do you want to surprise your significant other or your best friend? Do you just want to take a staycation? Do you want to travel to go to your dream concert? What is the reasoning why? I want to hear it. This contest will be running for 2 weeks. It'll end on this day and I will direct message the winner on Instagram, and then I'll post who the winner is in my Instagram story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you use this and I hope it really helps you save money on your travels. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.